Hi, it's Adam, and I have two friends with me because it is almost Alex's birthday, and that is still worth an almost birthday song.
This is your almost birthday song. It isn't very long. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Not bad, Petrie.
It's time for my bunny, and almost birthday funny. I'm gonna sing to Alex 'cause he loves the birthday funny. He wants to sing all day long. He wants to sing the song. Happy, happy birthday to my I don't know. It's his almost birthday song.
You got it. Happy, happy birthday. It's almost time for you. Just a couple more weeks, then it'll be for you. Happy, happy birthday from all our friends to you. We hope this almost birthday song can leave a smile all week through. All right, Alex, enjoy your almost birthday songs.
Bye.